guys, welcome back to a new video. Wow, it has been a really long time since I've said hey guy in the mornings, and to be honest, I have really missed it. I am so excited to be back again, in a way happier and healthier than ever. The last few months have been rough, but I have grown so much and I've learned so much. And I also really want to thank all of you guys, because on my last video, the amount of support I got on Instagram and YouTube from all of you has just like really helped me also to take a step back. So I also want to take a little moment and really appreciate that. Sami and I collabed and we are starting a wellness month. I did this 2 years ago and I had all content around wellness, and I thought, why not start my comeback with a wellness month? Because over the last few months I have learned also a lot on my own wellness journey. Because you know what it is, if you are eating all the healthy foods in the world, if you're working out constantly but you are not mindful and you're not comfortable in your own skin, you're not going to feel happy. And just balancing this all out is just such a challenge, and I feel many of you have gone through this as well in 2020. So in the upcoming month I want to share a lot of things I have learned on my own wellness journey and share that with all of you so you can join and follow along. One of the main things that has been really important in my routine actually is my matcha in the morning, because it's kind of the moment where I focus on the day, where I take a couple of really deep breaths and kind of start the day with like a relaxed feeling. So I want to make a little matcha, and then I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do this month. So good. Take a deep breath at home. Reminder. So upcoming month I will be sharing a lot of fitness content, a lot of food and a lot of new recipes, because during my break, it was not really a break, I was in Italy and I was cooking for 4 weeks in a Michelin star restaurant with Isabella Poti and Floriano Pellegrino, and this was such a learning experience, and I really cannot wait to be sharing recipes and all the things and tips and tricks I've learned from there. So something I've really learned during my training, the amount of hard work and focus what goes into creating, and in this case obviously in food and in recipes, I just found it so fascinating. And I feel whatever you want to feel better in or you want to do better in, it just takes a lot of hard work. And also another thing what I was very amazed by was the appreciation and true love for local and fresh ingredients. So this is something I also want to bring to my own kitchen. In order to feel good mentally and physically, we need to nourish ourselves with healthy and nutritious ingredients. Here at the farmers market, I get inspired by the local fresh ingredients from the season. I'm going to change up the channel a little bit, and I really want to take you guys with into my food diaries, where I'm going to explore different tastes, experiences and recipes. This will be more to come after Wellness Month. So I know that cooking sometimes can be a little bit intimidating, but honestly, you really don't have to be a master chef to cook something healthy, easy and nutritious. As you guys can see, with fresh and organic ingredients, you can come a long way. I would actually love to hear from you guys as well. What kind of recipes would you like to see moving forward on the channel? I mentioned already that I'm going to change a little bit things on the format as well. I'm going to launch a new series, Food Diaries, but I will tell you more about that a little bit later. I'm also just so excited to be sharing the renovation of my kitchen soon. We just finished all the drawings, and yeah, this will happen in January, which I just cannot wait to show you guys. Besides the kitchen, I've also been working a lot on our apartment, because I really felt that on my wellness journey, I noticed, especially during lockdown, how important my home and my inside space was, how plants could make such a big difference, how everything would feel more zen and really create a space to really relax. This is actually one of the latest pieces we got. This is a beautiful black olive tree. Got it for Max's birthday. Got some extra plants here. and I never really realized how important this was, kind of, I want to say, for like my mental health. The apartment and the kitchen is not the only thing what is getting a rebrand. One of my followers, Lizzie from Australia, reached out to me a little while ago, and we worked on a rebrand of Sanne Vloet. You can see a new logo, new banners, and I hope you guys like it because I just really feel like a new fresh Sauna, and I also kind of wanted to show that to the world. Obviously we've been inside so much, but I've also really noticed how important it is to be outside, and I just noticed how much joy and like energy I get. Talking about that, I think we should head out.
I'm slipping away, yeah. Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in this feeling, but let me know.
So, being out in nature has just like really helped me. Whenever I feel stressed or anxious, I just go outside and I immediately feel so much better with like the fresh air. And all the things I've learned over the last few weeks and months, I want to share with you guys throughout this wellness journey. And I know that sometimes to start these things are pretty hard, and that's why Sami and I created a month of fitness challenges for you guys to join so we can do this all together. So why wait until the new year to set those resolutions? Why not start right now? The holidays are around the corner, so let's instill those healthy habits. Everyone's wellness journey and goals will be different, but I think what we all realized is how important our health is this year. Let's be there for one and each other in our supportive, positive and strong community. You guys are the reason I started Wellness Month 2 years ago and why I continue today. So I want to explain a little what you can expect in the upcoming month. So every week, Sami and I will have new fitness challenges for you guys, and the videos will alternate between Sami's channel and my channel, so you guys can literally follow along and follow the whole program.
Yep, and our goal was to bring you guys diversity of different trainers besides Sauna and I, so we have some awesome trainers coming on board.
Yeah, the first week we will be starting with a full body challenge. The second week we are doing collaboration with Dog Pound, so you guys can follow along.
And then the third week is P-Volve with Steven, which I'm so excited about, and the last week will be Sauna and I.
Yeah, we're so excited and really hope you guys are going to follow along on this fitness journey, because together I feel we're stronger.
I agree.
So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all the notifications. Don't forget to subscribe to Sami's channel, and we will also be posting the schedule on our Instagram, so you can find it there in the highlights. So
Can't wait.
mwah, love you guys.